girl? No. X, Y chromosome itu sama girl dua. So itu lah girl. They common noun lah. Women. Okay. Country. Tree. Then some common noun. When you are talking about a common noun, you have to use a and the to determine what you are talking about. So, a and the singular. What you have to keep in your mind is a and n is used when you have a vowel sound. What is a vowel word? You know, la marda.
Okay, class. Please let us your class.
Right, November. She has not finished it yet. Right? See. 7. Friday.